Okay, Sarah, normally by now, I have found my favorite product. No matter what it is, I have found it. I'm having a hard time this time. You haven't found one, have you?
I have found one,
Already?
actually. I have, indeed.
Come
Yes.
on.
My favorite product here at the show right now is this solar hot water heating system by Velux. It's not a new product per se. They've had it in Europe for many, many years, but they are rolling it out right now in the US, so it's new to our national market. There are a couple reasons why I like solar hot water heating systems in general. One is it accesses free energy, which who doesn't like that?
Right.
Secondly, the systems are equally as applicable for residential or commercial projects or new homes or buildings or retrofits. And third, I think solar heating systems are a very good and relatively low-cost way to make a big impact in terms of energy use and also just general environmental footprint of a project.
And you got to admit, it looks really good up there.
It looks good, and this system by Velux uses the same roof space as a regular skylight, so you don't run into the same kinds of homeowner association pushback as you would with some of the other PV systems.
But I still can't believe you already found a favorite.
Well, you know, I've known about this product for a while. I've watched as Velux has rolled it out into the marketplace, and I'm real happy about it.
All right, well, one more task for you then. Help me find a favorite.